Sir, my drink is Coke.
Anything else?
I think that's all. Can you give me my order?
Your order is
Cheeseburger meal, regular price and Coke.
cheeseburger, delivery fries, and Coke drink.
Yeah. Okay. Can you be the one to give me my order?
Your total amount. Your total amount is 109.
Yeah.
This is the first window.
Okay. Okay, boss. Hello, Amara. I'm the one ordering. Do you know that? Hello. Can you get my payment? Very good. I love you. Are you shy? You didn't know that I'm the boss? Hello. Thank you. See you later, baby. Bye-bye. Hello, kids. Are you having fun? Good afternoon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
You say thank you.